Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, Taurus, for your career situation and love energy. I'll be picking two more cards from the other deck, and this is for your career situation, Taurus, and this is for your relationship, guys, and one card from the wisdom oracle guidance deck. So that is a general guidance what we can follow to bring that harmony and balance in our situation, guys. So this is the card for your oracle guidance, Taurus. So let's start with the general reading, guys. It's the Devil, Queen of Wands and King of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, it may be something in your career or something in your personal life, you are losing your independence, maybe because you are overindulging in something, maybe making tremendous efforts in your career, or you may be indulging in some habits, some addictions, and you are not seeing getting clarity. You want to stay this way, you do not want to move away from the way you are, maybe getting caught up in these addictions. Though you are putting in efforts, though you sometimes think that you have to change, you are unable to do it, maybe, and you may feel hopeless and stressed, out of options today. That is also what I feel here, guys. So you don't know which way to move forward in your life. So certain stress because of that, because of this uncertainty that you're facing today. And you are very loyal, dedicated in your life. Whatever goals you have, you are working towards that, and you are very cheerful. You are confident and cheerful, Taurus, and you work towards your goals with confidence, and you're a person of great confidence, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may be doing things in a very difficult way. You have a certain way of doing things, certain ideals. You do not let that go, and you do it in that particular order, and maybe sometimes it may be really difficult for you, but still you do it. And there are people trying to give you counsel or advice in your situation, and you are not ready to accept their advice, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Taurus. For your career situation, guys, let us see what is the card. 3 of Earth. So with this card in your career situation today, you are making that great teamwork, team effort today. You are working with people who have that similar aspirations, and maybe in your career, in your work situation, who have the same dreams, and you are collaborating your work, your efforts, and you are trying to build that solid foundation that you need to reach success. So that is what I see with this card here, guys. So if you go for teamwork, you will reach success. That is what this card means. And what is the card for your personal life? 4 of Fire. So with this card in your situation today, guys, you are celebrating that peace and harmony you have in this relationship. You are happy how things are going in this connection, and you are simply relishing the pleasure of the company of this person you are in connection with. You simply enjoy being with this person. That is what I see with this card, guys. So and contentment is what is there in this connection for you. So let us see what is the card, the oracle guidance. Why? So this card just means that we have to be aware of the motive in our heart of hearts, whatever our situation may be. So when we are making some choices in our career or in our personal life, when we are true to our motives, when our relationship, when it is based on love, and when we have this connection with this person and it is based on love, we can move forward. But if our motive is not love and it is something else, we should clearly think whether we want this connection, guys. The same way in our career, when our motives are based on the true intentions that we have, the dreams we have for our career, when it is based on that truth, we will see great success when we take up that path. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Taurus, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.